After you do the shorter ones, then they get part B, the longer ones. So number 19, same kind of thing we just got done doing. I'm going to start and get rid of my parentheses here in the middle. This minus 4W in front is just going to come down. Now I'm going to multiply, but I'm not going to put my answer or my sign of my answer until I actually do my multiplying. When I do a negative 6 times a negative 2, a negative times a negative is a positive 12x. Negative 6 times a positive 6W. Negative times a positive is a negative 36W. And then again, this plus 4x is just going to go on the end because it wasn't in the parentheses, so it's not multiplied by anything. Then I'm going to go ahead and combine my like terms. I'm going to put my w's together, my x's together. So negative 4 minus 36, they're both negative. I add and keep the sign, so negative 40w. Here we have 12 plus 4, they're both positive. I add, so positive 16x. So negative 40w plus 16x is my answer. Number 20, same kind of thing, but this time I have two sets of parentheses. Again, I've got to multiply. Here I'm multiplying just up to the end of that parenthesis. So negative 6 times negative 4 gives me positive 24w. Negative 6 times a negative 2x. Negative times a negative is a positive 12x. Then I'm going to do my second multiplication. I'm not going to put my sign down till I do the sign of my answer. Positive 2 times a negative 7x. Positive times a negative is a negative 14x. Positive 2 times a negative w. If you have a hard time remembering, that's a negative 1. Positive 2 times negative 1 is negative 2w. Combining my like terms then. We have 24w minus 2w, which would be 22w. We've got a 12x minus a 14x. 12 minus 14 is negative 2x. So 22w minus 2x would be your answer. Number 21, same kind of thing, getting rid of my parentheses. This is in front, so I'm just going to bring down the 4y. Then I'm going to multiply, writing the sign of my answers only. Negative 4 times positive 7z. Negative 28z. A negative 4 times a negative y. Again, if you need to, put a 1 there. Negative 4 times negative 1 is a positive 4y. Negative times a negative is a positive. That minus z comes down. Again, if you have a hard time remembering, minus z is minus 1z. So when you combine your like terms, 4y plus 4y is 8y. Negative 28 minus 1, I have to add and keep my sign, so negative 29z. So 8y minus 29z would be my answer.